Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna drain the juice from the yams. What you're gonna do, you're gonna butter your pan. Try to use room temperature butter to make sure it's easier to spread. The more the better. In here. A little bit liquid is fine, you're not gonna be able to get it all. Now, if you want to boil your own sweet potatoes, you can, or yams, you can. Or you can just get the can ones, make life easier. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add cinnamon. So, well, you want to use just regular cinnamon. We put a little bit in there of the cinnamon sugar. Don't use that. Use regular cinnamon. Just spread it all around. Okay. We're gonna do half a tablespoon right now, and then we're gonna use the other half when we mix it. Same thing with the nutmeg. We're gonna use half of it. Okay, that should be good. Now we're gonna do our marshmallows. How many marshmallows is up to you? How much gooey you like it? You know, what I like to do is first is just separate them like this. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix it up. Get a good mix, but you gotta make sure you don't squeeze the sweet potatoes. You just wanna gently turn them over. You wanna have the marshmallow is was gonna give it the more extra sweet. So you put them. So what you want to do now is you want to spread your marshmallows evenly. So when it melts, it all melts. It doesn't just melt in one spot. So on this one, you're also going to do the same thing. You're going to toss it in there. And I usually get a handful at a time, and then I mix it again. I mix the whole thing again, like I said, just gently, so we can get the brown sugar coated in every single yam. Okay, now that we mixed a little bit of brown sugar in there, we're gonna put some on top so you can get the crusty, the crust of the brown sugar. And I'm also gonna add a little bit more butter in between. Just a couple pieces here and there. This is not a diet dish, just remember that. So if you're watching your calories, this is not for you.
Thanksgiving altogether is not for you, probably.
See, the average plate is about 3K calories.
Yeah. How much butter? Just put some slits here and there, a couple of them here and there. Okay. So now that we got that, we're gonna top it off with brown sugar. A handful, and just put it all on top. And that's it. Now you bake it for 350. At 350 until you get it nice and brown on top and gooey.